Okay, I'm going to ever so carefully try to lay a little bit of a bead on the inside edge of this thing, because I know what this glue does, and I know how well it holds. I'm not having too much luck getting a little bead in there though. I got somewhere where I didn't need it. How about that? I was surprised by that. Just let it run off the tip there. Silas the cat, he wants some attention. His name is Silas because he hangs out with the preacher. That's me. And in the Bible, Paul had a sidekick named Silas. So there you go. Here's a little Bible for today. Well, I don't know if I did any good or not. But we tried. There's some there. We got a good bit on that corner, yeah. And I got some on that corner. Just for fun. Nope, don't do that. You get some glue on your nose, it won't ever come off. Glue your little whiskers down. Get a little bead there. Shoot, I put that right where I didn't want to put it. Oh well. I have to sand that off a little bit. Maybe wipe it off even. Starting to make more of a mess than I'm doing good. Alright, let's dry it right quick. Alright. She's stuck to that other glue dry, that's for sure. And I don't know, what y'all think? Let's just throw 2x4 soft pine. We can wipe that down with a little oil maybe. Make it pop a little bit. I don't know. Maybe a little stain, who knows. I could take some oil and put on this trash piece. See how it looks. And then I'll know how the box is going to look. Anyway, that's it for right now. Appreciate y'all watching.